If you mean that look I've seen, say it with a kiss. There is wine and candle shine and music in your lips, music in the touch of your fingertips. Words may not convey it, say it with a kiss, and your look might speak a book that my eyes might miss. You don't have to know the words to love's familiar tune. Say it with a kiss and say it soon.